Na kabinta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kubleye pi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Hadu shi hajar news pa metric ton usansa nakli umstem Haribhoi district on Shalan Shaka Central Warehousing Corporation Hagahati yatu umjurang ba ka jilla Meghalaya u convert ki sangma. Haba pinher lama hakasni pale hakasnong kli umstem. Katay kalongga kam ka ba kraw yaki nong rep sinsar kasenjam la shim hapo ka CM Asher ka program ba kongsan jong ka sorkar ka bathmu ban kershan yaki nong rep ha ka jingki udor jong ki mar hayo. Ka skim ka pelet jingmut ha ki mar ki mata ki bomla ban pun bar ki ba khamslem ban sa. Usin sar ha jilla ulong uba kongsan tam yaki nong rep ka jilla haba umintri rang ba ka jilla ula IT ru yaki kali pick up shaki nong yo jingmentoy na ka CM Elevate. Habakran hagani kasni ula pentip halor ka jingtre ka sorkar ban kentiu ya ka rep karyang bar ka bha kamiat jong ki nongrem. Ula pentip ba ka sorkar ka trei ban thau ya ka ecosystem ka ba penna ya ka rep karyang bar ki mar rep jong ka ban roy. Umentri rang ba ka jilla ula kentho ba ka wei ni ka jing e ba kongsan ka ba ka jilla ka ya kendu kalong ban penkiu ya ka jing penmi ka balong ka ba kongsan ba na ka benta ban kentiu ya ka jingmi ha ka rep karyang henry ula pentik na ba kinong shimbenta ki ya trailang ban weng ya ka ni ka jing e. Ka sorkar ka ni trailang bar ki pait ba kinong sengkam sengjam ban wan ra ka jing kala ha ka yo ka kot hanong kendong lingba ki ru kom rep ki ba bhatam ula ong. Ki jingsrang jong ka Meghalaya ha kalyang ka rep karyang kum ka CM Asher bar ka CM Elevate ki pin ka jingshim kya jong ka sorkar ban kershani ki nongrem bar ban kentiu ya ka roy ka par kini ki jingtmu ki tmu ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot jong ki nongrem ban kentiu ya ka jingim bat ban no sinyang sha ka roy ka par jong ka jilla. Ki jingtmu ki ba pauna ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot hanong kendong lingba ka rep karyang ki long CM Asher ka jing ai jing kershani ki nongrem ha ka jing kiudor jong ki mar hayo. CM Elevate ka jing pen ko bori ki nongrem bar ki nong kendong lingba ki jing tmu ban yo kamai. Ka jing pen roy ka rep karyang ka jing pen shlur ya ki rukam rep ki bala ban ne bar kentiu ya ka rep karyang ha ka jilla. Ka jing pen roy ka dor ka jing perkhat ban pen bhai ka dor baro ka wei nadu ka jing pen mi hadu ka jing pen ya yo ban ai jing mentoy ya ki nongrep bat ki nong kendong.
Very simple machines. It's not expensive. And that metal thing comes here, like steel. Covering like this, no? Then they bend it and the steel then covers. So it's very, finishing is very good. Right now you've done it with the only hand now, the plastic. So there it's a steel. So this is very good. Yeah, this is very good.
This one also it is like it is very costly.
Premium one, the one which we gave you also.
Like a premium. So now in the market we are going to
This one.
This one. So this one it will go in the market now only 39 to 40 rupees. As if this one we cannot go beyond
Not less than
90 to 95 years. Because it take time to even to peel the
So the machine one is with steel. It comes with steel frame. So they'll just cover the steel. It's very quick.
This is organic one also.
Yeah, this organic is much. This is like proper environment friendly.
yes.
If government wanted this, we can supply also to the government for this. The government they might be using. No, you say office. I'm going office. Government office.
You already gave me free, na? So I was saying, Abhilash, see, the reason why they have intelligently they've given us to both of us, because I think they've seen that even your DC office is very dirty, and even CM office is very dirty, so you clean outside. Yeah. Thank you.